Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you a simple and effective method through which you will get rid of your pimples, acne or any other sort of skin problem. The best thing about the method which I'm gonna share with you in this video is that it is 100% natural and having least side effects. So let's get started with our video. So guys, the product which I'm gonna share with you here is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of the essential oil. It is 100% natural, plant-based oil. It is basically famous for its antimicrobial and antiseptic properties. Okay. So guys, you can use tea tree oil for many purposes. It can treat acne, pimples, acne marks as well, psoriasis, folliculitis, or any other sort of skin infection. Moderate level of skin infections can be cured by this tea tree oil naturally. As it is a natural product, so it takes time to get. So it takes time to work. But it works effectively and permanently improve your acne prone skin. So let me tell you how to use this tea tree oil. This tea tree oil always comes in concentrated form. So never apply it barely on your skin. Always get it diluted with some other product. Either dilute it with aloe vera gel or gulab gel, that is rose water. Never apply it on your bare skin. It's concentrated form. Otherwise you will face several side effects. Let me tell you how I use it.
Firstly, add 1 tablespoon of rose water into a bowl. If you do not have rose water, then you can use aloe vera gel also. Then add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil and then add moisturizer of your choice. Mix these 3 ingredients well and apply on the infected area.
So guys, let me share you my experience with this tea tree oil. A few months ago, I was dealing with a kind of skin infection called folliculitis. It looks like small red bumps on skin or fluid-filled white-headed pimples around hair follicles. So it covered my left hand and my left leg. I used this tea tree oil for about 2 weeks and my 80% of the infection is gone. As you can see on the screen that it was my condition about 10 days ago and now it's like this. All the pimples and acne have gone completely, only the acne scars are left now. For making this remedy to work effectively on your skin, you have to keep 2 tips in your mind. First one is always get this tea tree oil diluted first. Either you can dilute it with aloe vera gel or rose water. You can also mix it in your bath or you can also mix it in your moisturizer. And the second and the most important tip is always apply this tea tree oil on clean surface. Always clean your infected area with soap and water and let it dry down. Then only apply this diluted solution on your infection or acne prone skin. Otherwise it will not work. I got this product from Nykaa. You can also order it from Amazon or Flipkart or from any nearby medical store. So guys, this product works for me very well. I hope it works for you too. And guys, this is a natural product, so it will take time to work. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks to fade away your pimple completely. So never expect miraculous result from this product within a few days. It will take time, but it will work. So thanks for watching my video. Meet you next time. Bye bye.